Peppa's house. This is my daddy. Why don't we say hello to him?
Hello, Peppa. I see you have a new friend. Do you want to help? Excellent. I have just the task for you. Why don't you sit here and mix this bowl for me? Well done. You're a great mixer. We're going to make a lovely salad with these vegetables.
Oh, would you mind turning it back on so I can read?
What's the George? Why are you crying? Dinosaur. Dinosaur.
What's that, George? You've lost Mr. Dinosaur? Don't worry. I'm sure it hasn't gone far. Could you have left it outside?
George and Peppa need your help to find Mr. Dinosaur. He must be somewhere nearby.
We will find it. We're good at finding things. Follow me, Mr. Potato.
Do you like Mr. Potato? Peppa does.
Follow me. Let's go this way. Dinosaur. I can see it. It's stuck in that tree next to the muddy puddle. Let's see if we can get it down.
It seems that Mr. Dinosaur is very high up in the tree. Perhaps they could use the help of someone taller.
Shaking the tree will not help. Shaking the tree will not help. Shaking the tree will not help. Let's go this way. Grandparents' house. This is my Granny and Grandpa's house. Grandpa is always in his garden and Granny takes care of the chickens.
This is Granny and Grandpa Pig's house. Peppa always has a great time here. Polly Parrot imitates everything you do. Why don't you try jumping or make a sound?
Oh no! Polly's food bowl is empty. She must be pretty hungry. Why don't we go and get some food so we can fill the bowl?